Welcome everyone. Today I am excited to show you the Expense Auditor, a smart corporate agent that automates the tedious, error-prone process of manually auditing employee expense submission. It protects company funds while getting employees reimbursed in seconds. What it is? This agent is built on the multi-agent of and custom workflows track of the Google Agent Development Kit 2.0. It acts as an autonomous first line reviewer that decides whether to auto approve, auto reject, block malicious inputs, or forward high value transaction to managers for human in the loop approval. At a glance, Expense Auditor combines advanced multi-agent orchestration with secure pre-LLM firewalls and live model context protocol or MCP tools to deliver an automated, secure and intelligent auditing solution. Let's walk through the architecture to see how it works under the hood. First, every submission enters the start node and is instantly sent to the security checkpoint. This is a secure stateless Python function that scrubs spy and check for prompt injections. If the check fails, the workflow routes to the security violation handler, which immediately blocks the request. If the check passes, we route to the orchestrator agent. The orchestrator coordinates are two sub-agents: policy checker agent, which uses MCP tools to review guidelines and budgets, and the response drafter agent, which drafts corporate emails and flags infractions. Next, everything flows into the evaluator decision node, which evaluates the audit findings. If the submission is valid and under the limit, it routes via processed straight to the final output node. However, if it is a high value expense above $1,000, it is routed to the human review node. Here the workflow suspends execution and requests input from a manager before resuming and completing at the final output mode. Now let's look at live scenarios. Here is the program. First, I have given an input a compliment meal receipt for $42.50 from Jane Doe. I click submit as it passes the security checkpoint, evaluates against policy, and it is automatically approved, displaying a complete audit report and draft approval email. But right now I don't have any Gemini API keys tokens remaining, that's why I can't run this. To ensure safety, our security checkpoint uses regular expression to mask credit card numbers and SSNs and immediately blocks jailbreak attempts like ignore previous instructions. Additionally, we integrated a local model context protocol server that enables our agents to query real-time company guidelines, check employee allowance, and flag transactions directly into the database. By automating 90% of standard audits, Expense Auditor drastically reduces operational overhead for finance teams, eliminates compliance gaps, and speed up employee reimbursement. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.